In today's video, we're gonna make an egg salad wrap for school. I'm gonna give you all the tips and tricks to keeping it fresh. Let's get started. For today's wrap, I'm using a large burrito-sized tortilla because it's the easiest to fold and wrap, especially when you're packing a great ingredient like an egg salad. You can use store-bought egg salad for this wrap or use my recipe, which I'm gonna link below for you. The first thing I'm gonna do is put my lettuce, which I've already shredded, on top of my tortilla. I want to build a little barrier between the tortilla or the wrap and the egg salad so I can prevent it from getting soggy and it'll stay fresher longer until lunch. On top of my lettuce, I'm also gonna add some cherry tomatoes, but if you don't want any tomatoes, you can skip those. And then I'm gonna take a few scoops of my egg salad and I'm gonna put it, as you see, right in the middle of the tortilla on top of the lettuce. Store-bought egg salad does not have a lot of flavor. It's typically kind of mild and bland. So one quick trick to give your wrap more flavor is to add your favorite all-purpose seasoning or taco seasoning, Creole seasoning right over the top, or you could just use a little salt and pepper instead. So to fold this wrap, you're going to grab your sides of the tortilla, fold them over, and then take the back side. I like to use my fingers to hold it and push it all the way to the front, and then you want to tuck it real tight as much as you can to keep everything in. Then you want to tuck and roll a little. You want to tuck in the sides as you go, and just like that, like a burrito. It's pretty solid. I'm going to take a lunch container, and you want to select a lunch container where your wrap fits nice and tight inside so it doesn't move around a lot in a lunch bag. Now today I'm using a compartmentalized lunch container because I'm going to put my wrap here and some sides, but if building lunches is something that you sometimes struggle with, make sure to grab a copy of my lunchbox builder. It's a free printable that you can grab below in the description box. It's going to help you build easy and fresh lunches in 5 minutes with ingredients that you have on hand. I'm going to slice this egg salad wrap in half before I place it in the container. I'm gonna take my egg salad wrap and place it right here side by side. I'm also packing some carrots, which I'm gonna place on this other compartment on the side. And on this last one, I'm gonna take some blueberries. These are frozen blueberries. You don't always need fresh fruit. Frozen blueberries are also great for a lunchbox. They thaw out by lunch. All I have to do is place the lid on my container, and then I'm gonna take a couple of ice packs. Gonna put 1 or 2 inside of my lunch bag and the lunch, zip it up, and this lunch is ready to go. For my favorite ice packs and more lunch packing tips, as well as easy lunch ideas, make sure you check the links right below this video. And if you're subscribed, I'm gonna see you next week.